Have you ever wondered if we are alone in the universe? The question is as old as humanity itself, and in our quest to answer it, one celestial body has captured our imaginations like no other: Mars, our neighboring red planet. The possibility of life on Mars has fascinated us for decades, sparking countless theories, ambitious missions, and even blockbuster movies. Our search for life on Mars began earnestly in the 20th century with missions like Viking 1 and 2, which were specifically designed to detect the existence of life. These missions set the stage for a series of explorations, each more advanced than the last, peering into the Martian universe in search of answers. But what exactly are we looking for? The conditions on Mars are harsh, with freezing temperatures, thin atmosphere, and intense radiation. It's not exactly a welcoming environment for life as we know it. So our focus has shifted to something a bit more resilient: microbial life. These tiny organisms are known to survive in extreme conditions on Earth, so could they exist on Mars as well? The potential discovery of microbial life on Mars would be a game changer. It would not only prove that life can exist elsewhere in the universe, but also open up a world of possibilities for our understanding of biology, evolution, and the origin of life itself. Now, we're not just looking for life on Mars, we're considering how we could create it. With visionaries like Elon Musk and organizations like SpaceX and NASA planning to send humans to Mars, we are on the brink of a new era. We're not just exploring Mars as a planet, but as a potential new home for humanity. As we continue to explore, the question isn't just, is there life on Mars, but could there be life on Mars in the future? Our search for life on Mars is not just a scientific endeavor, but a testament to our innate curiosity and our unending quest to answer one of the universe's most profound questions. Enter SpaceX, the private aerospace manufacturer and space transportation company founded by Elon Musk. This company, born from the ambition and innovation of its founder, has a vision that stretches far beyond our blue planet and into the vast expanse of the cosmos. SpaceX's mission is nothing short of revolutionary. It seeks to rekindle our collective sense of wonder and exploration by making human life multiplanetary. That's right, SpaceX isn't just about launching satellites or ferrying supplies to the International Space Station. Elon Musk envisions a future where humanity has outposts across the solar system, and Mars, our intriguing neighbor, is the prime candidate for this cosmic expansion. A dreamer, a doer, and a fervent believer in the potential of humanity, Elon Musk has a goal for SpaceX that is as audacious as it is inspiring. He plans to send 1 million people to Mars by the year 2050. That's less than 30 years from now. It's a goal that pushes the boundaries of what we currently deem possible, but then again, pushing boundaries is what SpaceX does best. Musk believes that making life multiplanetary is not just about exploration or science. It's about ensuring the survival of our species. With the threats of climate change, nuclear war, and cosmic events like asteroid impacts, the idea of having a backup for humanity isn't as far-fetched as it might once have seemed. But how do we get there? SpaceX's answer is the Starship. This spacecraft, currently under development, is intended to be fully reusable, capable of carrying up to 100 passengers, and designed for long-duration space travel. It's the linchpin in Musk's plan to colonize Mars, so there you have it. A vision that reaches for the stars, a mission that's grounded in ensuring our survival, and a plan to get us there. SpaceX is not just a company. It's a catalyst for a future that's as exciting as it is necessary. With such ambitious plans, what does the timeline for SpaceX's Mars colonization look like? We will explore that in the next scene. Stay tuned. SpaceX's timeline for Mars colonization is as ambitious as its vision. The key milestones in this grand project are nothing short of awe-inspiring. Let's dive into the details. Right off the bat, we have the development of the Starship, SpaceX's next-generation spacecraft. This towering marvel of engineering, standing taller than the Statue of Liberty, is designed to carry up to 100 passengers to the Red Planet. The Starship's first orbital flight took place in 2024, marking a monumental step towards Mars colonization. This spacecraft is not just about size and power, it's about reusability too. Imagine a world where interplanetary travel is as common as catching a flight to your favorite holiday destination. That's the world SpaceX is trying to build. Following the development and successful testing of the Starship, unmanned missions to Mars are next on the timeline. The plan is to send multiple starships to Mars loaded with cargo to establish a base even before the astronauts arrive. These missions are set to take place within the next 5 years. Now let's talk about the first crewed mission. As of now, SpaceX aims to launch its first crewed mission to Mars in the late 2030s. This mission will not only be a landmark achievement for SpaceX, but for all of humanity, marking the first time humans step foot on another planet. Finally, the most ambitious milestone of all, establishing a self-sustaining colony on Mars. By the mid-2050s, SpaceX hopes to have a fully operational colony on Mars, with a population of 1 million people. This is not just about survival, but about thriving, creating a new home for humanity on a different planet. So, SpaceX has its plans laid out, but what about NASA? NASA, the United States Space Agency, has its own plans for Mars. For decades, this legendary institution has been at the forefront of space exploration, and the Red Planet is no exception. The Mars Exploration Program, an initiative by NASA, aims to explore Mars in a systematic, methodical way, with a focus on the planet's early history and the potential for life. Under this program, NASA has already sent a series of robotic explorers, known as Mars rovers, to the Martian surface. These rovers, with names like Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and the most recent, Perseverance, have been the eyes and ears of scientists back on Earth. They have explored the Martian terrain, analyzed soil samples, and sent back invaluable data, paving the way for future human exploration. But rovers are just the beginning. NASA has bigger plans. In the mid-2030s, the agency aims to send a manned mission to Mars. This mission, part of the Artemis program, will be a giant leap for mankind, much like the Apollo moon missions of the 1960s. This mission is not just about setting foot on Mars. It's about demonstrating new technologies, advancing scientific knowledge, and proving that humans can live and work on another planet. This will require overcoming numerous challenges, including long-duration space travel, surface habitation, and resource utilization on Mars. NASA's plans for Mars are about more than just exploration. They're about preparing humanity for a future in which we are not just residents of Earth, but citizens of the cosmos. It's about pushing the boundaries of our capabilities and expanding our understanding of the universe. NASA and SpaceX, though different in their approaches, share a common goal: to explore Mars and expand human presence in space. While SpaceX's focus is on colonization and creating a self-sustaining city, NASA's approach is more scientific and exploration-driven. But both are crucial pieces of the same grand puzzle, and together, they may just make the dream of humans on Mars a reality. In our pursuit of knowledge and exploration, Mars stands as the next frontier. Let's look back at our journey through this video. We've delved into the possibility of life on Mars, examined SpaceX's vision and timeline for colonization, and explored NASA's plans. Elon Musk's SpaceX has a bold vision for Mars. They plan to send the first crewed mission as early as 2024 and aim to establish a self-sustaining city by 2050. This timeline is ambitious, but that's what Musk is known for, pushing the limits of what we believe is possible. NASA, on the other hand, has a more cautious approach, aiming for a crewed mission in the early 30s. They are focusing on research and exploration, building on decades of robotic missions to understand the Red Planet better before sending humans. Both SpaceX and NASA face enormous challenges. The long duration of space travel, the need for life-supporting infrastructure on Mars, and the potential risks to human health are just a few. Yet, the potential benefits of Mars colonization are equally significant. It could be a stepping stone to exploring the rest of the solar system and perhaps even other galaxies. It could also serve as a backup plan for humanity, should we ever need one. But the most exciting benefit might be the simple act of exploration itself. As we push the boundaries of human knowledge and capability, we learn more about ourselves and our place in the universe. Mars colonization could be a milestone in our species' story, a testament to our curiosity, resilience, and ingenuity. As we wrap up, we hope you've gained a deeper understanding of the plans to make Mars the next frontier for human exploration and colonization. We stand at the precipice of a new era of space exploration, filled with potential and promise. As we move forward, one thing is clear. The red planet is no longer just a point of light in the night sky, but a destination within our reach.